Here is the Perfect Aire 50 Pint Dehumidifier. As some of you might know, I recently had the GE 50 pint one. I bought it from Home Depot, but I quickly returned it. Noticing all the bad reviews online. I didn't bother to look at the reviews before I even bought it because I really needed it for my basement. And as you can see, my basement is half ripping apart because of some flooding happened. So I returned it to Home Depot and got the Perfect Aire because of the reviews of it online. So I wanted to get it for myself to check it out. But I couldn't be more happy with it. It is very quiet. I know that's one of the things that people have commented on is it's much quieter than other dehumidifiers. So that was an important factor because if I'm in the basement here, trying to have some family time, I need to have it be quiet. So of course you could just turn it off, but for just an hour or so, or 2 hours if you're down here. But this way, if it's running, if it needs to be running, you can still have that peace and quiet. So anyway, moving on from that, it has a nice bucket down here for the 50 pints. It just pulls right out. So right now it's running. So if I go ahead and pull this out, it'll turn right off. And then it'll show the indicator full. But I just emptied this. It was full. So if I put it right back in there, it'll start right back up. As you can see, the light will turn off here any second. Yep, there we go. The humidity level is 45. You can turn it down to 35. That's the lowest it goes, except for continuous. You can put it on continuous to get down even farther, if you so please. And so power button, continuous. This is to have the humidity level be higher or lower. In this case, I have it set at 45. And then it's on normal. So it has just normal and turbo mode. So 2 fan speed settings. It sucks the air in right here and blows it out the top. So you get good airflow all throughout here. So if you have a pretty big place, no problem. So back here, as you can see, the model is PA50. All this nonsense, no, not nonsense, but 50 pints a day. So it can handle a really big space. I have a 500 square foot basement here, so it handles it no problem. It keeps it right around 45%. So the humidity level that is indicated on here is actually really accurate compared to what I had before, which is the GE. It has handles on the side and also wheels on the bottom, so you can easily move it. Also, in the back here, if you pull this out, it's for a hose if you want to put it in your sub pump to drain it out. But in this case, I'm just putting it right in my basement, right in the center for now. I change it probably once a week, so it's a decent size for your basement. And that pretty much covers it. I am very satisfied with it. It doesn't seem like it runs when it's not supposed to, like the GE unit, excuse me. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask, but go ahead and comment on the video, get some discussions going, so everybody else knows of maybe your own experience. But I will update you guys periodically just to let you know how the machine is still working. So, all right, well, let me know if you have any questions.